Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Getting started is straightforward if you have an Xbox Game Pass subscription. This highly anticipated title is included with your membership, offering full access to its thrilling campaigns and multiplayer modes. You'll need an active subscription to one of the eligible Game Pass tiers to dive into the action. It's a fantastic way to experience the game without an additional purchase. To play Black Ops 6, you'll need either Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, PC Game Pass, or Console Game Pass. Ultimate is the top tier, giving you access across Xbox consoles, Windows PCs, and even cloud streaming. If you only play on your Xbox, the Console Game Pass is perfect. For PC gamers, PC Game Pass offers the full experience on your computer. Each tier provides excellent value for hundreds of games. Once your Game Pass subscription is active, installing Black Ops 6 is simple. Head to the Game Pass section on your Xbox console or the Xbox app on your PC. Use the search bar to find Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and select the game. Then, just click the Install button. The download size can be substantial, often over 100 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough storage. After installation, launch it directly from your library. Before you jump into the action, make sure your internet connection is strong, especially for online multiplayer. Games like Black Ops 6 often receive updates, so check for any patches to ensure the best experience. You can explore the immersive single-player campaign or challenge friends in the fast-paced multiplayer modes. With Game Pass, you're ready to experience all the intense combat and strategic gameplay this title has to offer. Have fun and good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.